Today in this video we will see why all the photos that are present in the gallery of your Samsung device is not automatically backing up to the Google Photos. Now if you noticed only the pictures from the camera are backing up, then what you do is go ahead and open Google Photos application. Tap on this profile icon at the top here. Go to this option Photos Settings. Go to Backup and scroll down. Go to this option Backup Device Folders. Now you will see different folders here. These same folders will be present in the gallery of your Samsung device. If I go to the gallery and if I see here, there is camera folder, screenshots, download, 11.6, etc. And the same folder is present here. Now if you see, all of these folders, they are disabled. So when it is disabled, then what happens is the photos cannot automatically back up to the Google Photos. So what you need to do is you need to enable this option so that the photos that are present in these folders will be automatically backed up to the Google Photos. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.